Finding a safe, comfortable place for your baby to relax can feel impossible, especially when you're juggling everything else. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Little Tikes Snug and Secure Swing. The Little Tikes Snug and Secure Blue Swing, priced at just $26.99. What caught my attention was its 2-in-1 feature, which allows it to grow with your child from baby to toddler, supporting up to 50 pounds. If you want a long-lasting swing that won't break the bank, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this swing might be a game changer for you. The adjustable stay-put straps ensure your little one is secure, giving you peace of mind while they enjoy swinging. The convertible seat is designed to transition easily from a baby swing to a toddler swing, so you won't need to buy another one as they grow. Plus, it boasts a bright and cheerful design with blue, red, and yellow colors that will keep your child engaged. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that parents are loving this swing. Now, some people complained that the straps can be a bit tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how secure it keeps your baby. It might take a minute to figure out, but for the safety it provides, I think it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, secure swing that your child can use for a few years. Skip this one if you want something with more advanced features, as this is pretty straightforward but effective. Alright, if the straps issue bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 2. Ingenuity Keep Cozy Bouncer. The Ingenuity Keep Cozy 3-in-1 Grow With Me Vibrating Baby Bouncer, priced at $47.99. I was really impressed by its flexibility. It serves as a bouncer, rocker, and stationary seat all in one. If convenience is what you're after, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bouncer can accommodate babies from 0 to 30 months and supports up to 40 pounds. It features soothing vibrations that help keep your baby calm, which can be a lifesaver during fussy moments. Plus, the cozy infant bolster provides extra support for newborns, and you can easily remove it when your baby grows. It even comes with a detachable plush elephant toy to entertain your little one. As a bonus, the seat pad is machine washable, saving you time and hassle. Over 9,000 of these have been sold recently, which speaks volumes. Now, some users found the price a bit high for a toy that might not last long, but I'd argue that its multifunctionality makes it a solid investment, especially for busy parents who need options. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional product that provides comfort and entertainment for your baby. Skip this one if you're looking for something that solely swings, as that's not its main feature. It offers great value for all it can do. That was a solid option, but if you're looking for something specifically designed to soothe your baby, let's talk about the next one. Product number 3. Mon Ami Electric Baby Swing. Let's take a look at the Mon Ami Baby Swing, which retails for $149.99. This one really stood out to me due to its sleek design and advanced features. If you want a swing that not only looks good but also helps calm your baby, this is worth a serious look. The Mon Ami swing offers 5 different sway motions and 10 soothing lullabies, which can create a relaxing environment for your little one. It can accommodate babies up to 20 pounds, making it suitable for infants. The standout feature is its automatic rocking technology that detects when your baby is fussy and adjusts accordingly. This means if your baby is quiet, the swing stays still, which is just genius. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clearly resonating with parents looking for something modern and functional. However, some reviews pointed out that the remote control can be finicky. I'll be real with you, while this can be frustrating, I think the swing's overall functionality makes it a worthwhile investment for a parent who wants convenience. This is perfect for you if style and functionality are high on your list. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as it is a bit pricier than others on the list, but if you can swing it, the features may justify the cost. Alright, if the price on the Mon Ami bothered you, the next swing I've got is compact and perfect for smaller spaces.
Product number 4. Graco Slim Spaces Swing. Coming in at $109.99 is the Graco Slim Spaces Compact Baby Swing. This swing caught my eye because it's specifically designed to save space while still providing comfort. If you're short on room but still want a safe place for your baby, give this one a look. This swing is made to fit in tight spaces, and it features height-adjustable legs, making it ideal for any room in your home. It has adjustable swinging speeds to match your baby's mood, and the overhead toy bar keeps them entertained. With a lightweight design, it's easy to move from one room to another, making it super convenient for parents who want to keep their baby nearby without taking up too much space. It's also received over 4,000 purchases recently, which shows that it hits the mark for many families. Some parents mention that it might not be as plush as some other swings, but here's the thing. If saving space is your main concern, I think this swing strikes a great balance between comfort and practicality. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller home or apartment and need a compact solution. Skip this one if you want a swing with a lot of plush features, as it's more about functionality here. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if compactness is what you're after, the last swing on my list is portable and perfect for traveling.
Product number 5, Bright Starts Playful Paradise Swing. We have the Bright Starts Playful Paradise Portable Compact Automatic Baby Swing, priced at $59.99. Its lightweight design and portability really caught my eye. If you need something you can take on the go, this one is definitely worth considering. This swing is designed to be foldable and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or simply moving it around the house. It has 6 speeds with whisper quiet technology, ensuring that your baby won't be disturbed while swinging. Plus, it comes with a toy bar that features 2 interactive toys to keep your baby engaged. Despite being more affordable, it still offers comfort with 2 recline positions and an adjustable 5-point harness for safety. With over 3,000 sales recently, it's a popular choice for budget-conscious parents. However, some reviews mentioned that it might feel a bit flimsy compared to more expensive models. But honestly, for the price, I think it delivers great value, especially for parents who want a portable option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable swing that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you want something that feels more substantial, as it's designed to be lightweight and easy to transport. That wraps up the list, but let's compare them quickly before we finish up. So to quickly compare, we've got the Little Tikes Snug and Secure for affordability, the Ingenuity Keep Cozy for versatility, the Mon Ami for style, the Graco Slim Spaces for compactness, and the Bright Starts Playful Paradise for portability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Mon Ami because of its calming features and sleek design. Avoid the Bright Starts if you're looking for something that feels more substantial. It might not hold up as well.